I'm Seb, and I've switched to Dorico.
I switched to Dorico because it's truly a revolutionary program in the world of notation.
The workflow is very intuitive. Page formatting is great. Master pages, it's great.
The difference is just incredible. I love this program. It makes my work fun, interesting, fast, and it's just a joy to work with.
My first project in Dorico, obviously, as I'm learning it, it took a little longer because I'm learning a new program. But, I got it done. Then I went to the score cleanup stage. And there was no score cleanup stage. And that was it. Like, it was done.
One of the main differences between Dorico and Sibelius is that Dorico is intuitive. Everything's set out in a way that's easily accessible and in an obvious way.
I'm converting everything I've ever done in Finale into Dorico.
What I really love is that I can have all these graphics and the writing and the music so easily manipulable on one document. It's fantastic. It's sort of life-changing.
For orchestra, it's like a breeze.
It's a real joy to be able to make my music look exactly how I want it to, and in a very short space of time.
I can tell you that I was smart at least once, and that's when I switched to Dorico.
I switched to Dorico for I was looking for an easier way to write music. Little did I know that I would love it so much. It's way smarter than I thought it would be.
So something that might have taken 3 hours now takes an hour and a half, and that translates in my life to more time to create, and then more time to unplug and spend with my family.
Dorico has more musical intelligence and semantic meaning than any other software and program I've been using since 1990.
Dorico starts from the musical logic and then builds the way the score looks. That means it's great for teaching because you don't have to teach kids two different logics. One, the logic of the music, and then the logic of the software. They're kind of meshed together.
In my overall experience in writing for full orchestra and scoring a film in Dorico was really pleasant. It was really fast, the workflow was efficient.
Dorico has amazing features and tools that allow composers to write directly on the software, like using a piece of paper and a pencil.
And you also don't need a number pad, which I was a Sibelius user before. Needed a number pad to do a lot of things. Don't need a number pad, so I can work on the train on my laptop. Very handy.
Almost everything in Dorico is quicker than actual pencil and paper. That's why I've switched to Dorico and I love it.
I haven't lost anything when in the switch because I've saved all my files as XML files, and so Dorico has been able to open those without any problem.
The workflow for me now in Dorico, I love it.
The program is so full of practical time-saving features that make your work life so much better and go so much smoother. I'm a huge fan. Thank you so much, Dorico. Love it.
I really recommend you to give it a try, and you will not be disappointed.
That felt natural.